Hey kids, it's Teacher Graham.
And Mr. Khoa.
Time to get your science book and let's begin our class for today. Today is Tuesday, the 25th of February in 2020. Daily Science 5, our Big Idea 5, Week 2, and Day 2. How does a microwave oven cook food? Let's do our vocabulary, reading, and tasks for today. Starting with vocabulary. Let's do some review. Do you remember this word? Microwave. Microwave. Radiation. Radiation. Wavelength. Wavelength. X-ray machine. X-ray machine. Nuclear weapon. Nuclear weapon. Microwave oven. Microwave oven. Radioactive. Radioactive. Fantastic. Let's try some new words. This is detect. Detect means to discover something new. Detect. Radar. Radar. Radar's a device and a type of wavelength used to detect different things around the planet. Electric current. Electric current. The current of electricity goes through the wires like in this picture. That's how we power all of our different devices these days. Let's do some reading together. Before microwave ovens were invented, microwave radiation was used by the military to detect enemy aircraft. This system was called radar.
Và trước khi mà lò vi sóng được phát minh thì vi sóng thì được sử dụng để phát hiện máy bay của địch bởi quân đội. Cái hệ thống này được gọi là radar.
Then in 1945, a man named Percy Spencer was experimenting with a device that produced microwaves and discovered that the waves had accidentally melted a candy bar in his pocket.
Và trong năm 1945 thì Percy Spencer làm thí nghiệm với một thiết bị và tạo ra những cái vi sóng và phát hiện ra rằng là cái sóng này nó có thể vô tình làm cho cái thanh kẹo trong túi của ông ấy bị tan chảy.
Spencer's discovery helped scientists realize that microwaves could also be used to cook food.
Và những cái phát minh này phát hiện của ông Spencer đã giúp cho các nhà khoa học nhận thấy rằng vi sóng có thể dùng trong nấu ăn.
Now let's remember to underline our keywords and sentences. What's microwave radiation and how was it used? It was used by the military before ovens were invented to detect aircraft. That system of detecting enemy aircraft with microwave radiation is radar. Remember our date, 1945. Percy Spencer was experimenting. When he was using a device, it produced microwaves. He discovered the waves accidentally melted a candy bar. After this, they realized microwaves could be used to cook food. Let's continue. Great work. This here is a picture of the American physicist called Percy Spencer. He lived from 1894 to 1970. Microwaves have two properties that make them ideal for cooking. Can you think of what they are? Alright, let's check. First of all, they are easily absorbed by water molecules, as well as by some fats and sugars, substances commonly found in the food we eat.
Rồi, đầu tiên của những đặc tính của cái sóng này á, là nó có thể dễ dàng hấp thụ, absorb là hấp thụ nha, có thể dễ dàng hấp thụ các phân tử nước cũng như là chất béo nè và đường nè, những cái thứ mà các con thường tìm thấy ở trong đồ ăn thường ăn.
When these molecules absorb microwaves, the energy is converted directly into thermal energy. Now, our second property. The second useful property of microwaves is that they are not absorbed by most plastics, glass, paper, or ceramics. This means that food and beverages can be cooked in cups and bowls as well as plates without the containers getting too hot.
Rồi, và cái lợi ích thứ hai mà cái sóng này mang lại á, tức là nó sẽ không hấp thụ nhựa nè, nhựa, plastic là nhựa, glass là thủy tinh, paper là giấy hoặc là ceramics tức là gốm. Điều này các con có thể hiểu là những cái tô nè, rồi ly hoặc là dĩa mà cái sóng này nó sẽ không làm nóng những cái vật này lên.
Alright, now do you think you can put metal in the microwave? You cannot. Metal, however, reflects microwaves. Microwaves can generate electric currents in metals and create sparks, which is why you cannot put anything metal in microwave ovens. This is very important.
Rồi, và các con có thể bỏ những cái vật kim loại vào lò vi sóng không? Chắc chắn là không rồi. Bởi vì sao? Bởi vì khi các con bỏ các vật như là đồ hộp bằng sắt nè, hoặc là cái lon nước nè vào cái lò vi sóng thì nó sẽ tạo ra tia lửa điện và nó sẽ rất là nguy hiểm cho các con, nó sẽ phát nổ và có thể nguy hiểm tính mạng ha. Nhớ nha, không được bỏ đồ kim loại vào lò vi ba nha.
Alright, let's continue. Remember to underline what are the two properties that are ideal for cooking. First, the energy is easily absorbed by water molecules. When these molecules absorb the microwaves, the energy is converted directly into thermal energy. Secondly, microwaves are not absorbed by most plastics, glass, paper, or ceramics. Very important. This means we can cook food and beverages in cups, bowls, and plates without it getting very hot. And the most important thing to remember is not to put any metal items in a microwave oven, as it may create an electrical current, create a spark, and possibly cause a fire. Awesome. Let's go.
Rồi, và thầy chắc chắn là ở nhà các con cũng có một cái lò vi sóng ở nhà đúng không? Và thầy sẽ để giới thiệu đây là các bộ phận trong cái lò ha. Đầu tiên, đây là cái ống dẫn magnetron dùng để phát ra sóng đến cái đường dẫn này, waveguide nè. phát ra trong cái khoang lò. Đây là khoang lò, cái con có thể bỏ lại như đây nè. Và ở khu này là cái bảng điện tử, cái con có thể chỉnh thông số phù hợp với cái đồ mà các bỏ trong đây để nấu thức ăn trong đây ha.
Alright, let's try some tasks for today. After each word, write whether the material absorbs, reflects, or neither absorbs or reflects microwaves. Remember, to absorb means to gather the energy, and reflect means the energy bounces away and does not absorb. If we choose neither, absorb or reflects, that means the energy can pass through, but it does not get collected by the material. Let's look at some examples. Let's say it all together from 1 to 8. Coffee, a metal spoon, plastic spoon, potato, empty glass, paper cup, a silver tray, and some pizza. What do you think for number 1? Does it absorb, reflect, or neither? You're correct. It absorbs. How about number 2? What does it do? Neither, reflects, or absorbs? You betcha, it reflects. Now the opposite of metal. Let's try a plastic spoon. Does it absorb, reflect, or neither? That's right. It does neither. The energy passes through and does not get absorbed. What about a potato? We're getting hungry. Let's turn on the microwave. Yeah, now it begins to absorb the energy and heat up and cook. What about an empty glass? All it has is glass and air. You're right. It does neither. The energy passes through and does not get absorbed. What about a paper cup? Reflect, neither, or absorb? It's also neither. You're right. And a silver tray? Does that classify as something that absorbs, reflects, or neither? Think about silver. What is that? You're right, it does reflect. Silver is a metal, so it can create an electric current. And our favorite of all, pizza. Do you think the energy passes through and doesn't get absorbed? It sure does absorb all of the energy, and it cooks the pizza. Delicious! Now, remember the 2 properties? What are the properties that make microwaves ideal for cooking food? What does it do? What happens with water molecules? You're right. First, they are easily absorbed by water molecules, the microwave energy. Also, fats and sugars found in food absorb the energy very well. How about number 2? What do you think the other property is? Yeah, you got it. They are not absorbed by plastics, glass, paper, or ceramic. Those are the 2 properties best for cooking. How about metal? What can we do with metal? Nothing. We keep metal away from microwave ovens. Don't forget to check your answers. Let's keep going. Alright, you did all of it together. We're very proud of all your hard work. Don't forget to do your homework, review your former lessons, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye!